Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, enable NFC on your phone, put tags and phone close, and open the Writer app. Scan a blank tag to confirm it reads as ntag 213, 215, or 216 so you know the memory limits. Once detected, choose the record type, URL, text, or custom MIME, because this affects how devices interpret the tag. Make sure the tag is unlocked for writing. If it's locked already, stop and get a fresh tag. Then enter the payload and preview the record to avoid typos. Once you have the payload ready, choose encoding options, UTF-8 for text, HTTPS for links, because correct encoding prevents garbled results. Tap Write and keep the phone steady over the tag. Many apps show a progress indicator and will prompt for repeated taps if alignment shifts. After a successful write, immediately read the tag back to verify the NDEF record matches your input. If you plan multiple records, write and verify each one sequentially to avoid overflowing memory or corrupting earlier entries. To finish, decide whether to lock the tag. Making it read-only prevents accidental rewrites, but you cannot undo that, so be certain. If you need security, enable password protection and record the password outside your phone. Once set, make sure authorized devices can authenticate. Test the tag on at least 2 different phones to confirm behavior across platforms. If writing fails, reformat the tag using the app, try another tag, or reduce payload size. These steps usually resolve common write and compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.